Dear ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide dedicated to help you get rid of the adware type application called PhasePure. So PhasePure is the adware type application that attacks Mac computers only. This PhasePure is the adware from the adload family. The adware once installed, starts to display the tremendous portion of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. Often this PhasePure adware is spread through integration with many free applications, so in most of the cases, users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. If this PhasePure adware was mistakenly added to your Mac computer, you should undertake the measures to get rid of it. Very often this adware attacks Safari browser, in fact. So you may go to Preferences and check Safari extensions. If you find any associated extensions over here, get rid of them. But also it's crucial to find this application PhasePure in the applications list. Then you need to right click on it and move it to the trash. Also, in order to make sure that your computer is free of any other possibly hidden threats, we recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button to download the software, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching your computer with its help in order to detect and eliminate all other threats from your device. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.